Good morning, class. Welcome to the Lesson 1 overview for your cardboard relief project. In this video, we will discuss the tasks that need to be completed and how to complete them so you can gain the most understanding and earn as many points as possible. All right, so for this project, your first learning goals are first to identify and examine the characteristics and types of relief. So we're going to be looking at what a relief is and different examples of that so you can build your understanding for this project. And then after you've understood what a relief is, you will second develop a plan for the various planes of relief. The planes are like the different levels, the different layers of a relief. So you'll learn how to plan your design for the actual sculpturing process. Your central question is, how do artists document the creative process? What do artists actually do to document the different phases of their production so viewers can see how they got to the end result. And so an artist can even reflect back on that. And then lastly, vocabulary words are relief and plane. Those are going to be the two words that you're going to be discussing today, since they are very important to the beginning phases of this project. All right, as always, watch the Lesson 1 vocab video. That'll give you the answers for your Lesson 1 entrance ticket. Please complete all 3 of these questions for your full 3 points. You're answering what is a relief, what is a plane, and how do artists document the creative process. After you've done that, make sure that you watch the how to make a cardboard relief video. This is very important. It's actually very great video, very simple. It's only about 4 minutes long, I believe, and it's a time-lapse video of an artist making their relief with basic shapes and designs, and also adds color in the end, which essentially is what your final project is going to look like. You'll be making it with cardboard and gluing it all together, and then lastly adding color throughout to make sure it really pops and just adds an extra level of detail. All right, after you've watched that and you understand how to make a relief, you will then watch the Lesson 1 instructional video with me, where I'll guide your lesson progress, because in that I will be telling you how to complete a sketch for your cardboard relief using 3 layers or more. So that's what you're going to submit to the Lesson 1 progress photos discussion. You would make sure you can submit your completed sketch to that assignment, so I can give you feedback as to what you might be able to add or edit with your design, or maybe just give you a thumbs up and say that this is perfect. You can start on the actual production whenever you're ready. All right, and then materials, you will need a piece of paper for your sketch, also a pencil. Eventually you will need the cardboard and glue that were provided to you with the oil pastels. The only material that the art department is not able to give you for this course were a pair of scissors, because you can't send sharp objects home. So just find a pair of scissors from around the house to use. I would advise, when cutting cardboard, when you get to that phase in Lesson 2, that you try to cut out the bulk pieces around what you're cutting. So the thinner amount of cardboard that you're cutting is going to be easiest on your fingers and wrists to cut, so you don't get sore or anything like that. With that said, that's basically it. So as always, here's the navigation. Watch the vocab video for number 2, then go to number 3, complete your entrance ticket. Here's the video for how to make a cardboard relief. Then the Lesson 1 instructional video, you're going to watch that with me. And then lastly, submit your work here to number 6 so I can give you feedback on your work. All right, guys, I look forward to starting this new unit with you, and please message me if you have any questions. Otherwise, I will see you all in class in the vocabulary video below. All right, guys, see you soon. Bye.